Now we are going to learn how to put off the talkback in your mobile. What is the talkback means? Here you can see the green outline to select. If you select anything, the green outline will be selects that, and it will says that top and double tap to open. Single tap is to select, double tap to is open the particular content, and that particular content will be circled by green circle. That is called talkback option is enabled in your phone. Uncomfortable. It is very uncomfortable operation to mobile. That is what we are going to know how to put off the talkback option in your mobile. It is automatically sometimes enables by pressing some keys or some options. Okay, just follow the settings. Just simply we can put off the talkback option in your mobile. Okay, simply go to the settings, select group of in my phone I am doing group of icons I have selected, and double tap to open, and here we have to select the settings icon. Once tap selected, double tap to open. I have opened the settings. Here we have to go to more settings, but here scrolling will not work. See, you can see that a drop. My finger is trying to do the scroll, sliding the window, but it is not work. In the talkback it will not work. That is what we have to use two fingers only. Okay, we have to use two fingers like this. Okay, by using two fingers we can drag that down. Okay, you can drag like this, but we have to go to more settings. Check the more settings. See, here it is more settings. See here, select the more settings and double tap to open the more settings. Here also use two fingers to slide the window like this. Go to down. Here we have to select accessibility. Tap once, it is selected, and double tap to open the accessibility. This phone is talkback is on now. That is what it is assisting, and double tap like that it is assisting. It is uncomfortable to operate the mobile. Double tap it. Then a talkback option we can see here it is enabled. Now we want to put off it. Select once, it is selected, double tap to put off. Then it will ask, then it is asking, tapping OK will be stop talkback. Okay, tapping OK will stop talkback. Then select OK, double tap, then talkback is off and that green circle is disappears. Okay, now we can use as normal like this. Okay, like that we can disable this talkback option in your mobile. If this content is useful for you, please subscribe and share. Thank you.